Definition. Definition. Components. Component 1. Tiled Vector Store is a vector store implementation that leverages the TileDB storage engine to achieve fast and scalable document retrieval. TileDB is a high-performance, scalable, and open-source data management library designed to store and query large data sets. By utilizing TileDB, Tiled Vector Store offers efficient storage and retrieval of document embeddings, enabling fast and scalable access to large document collections. Component 2. getDocumentsArray URI is a method that retrieves the uniform resource identifier URI of the TileDB array containing the stored documents. This method allows you to access the TileDB array holding the documents, enabling further operations such as retrieval of specific documents or performing other queries based on the stored data. Architecture. Tiled Vector Store utilizes TileDB for efficient storage and retrieval of document embeddings. TileDB provides a robust framework for managing large-scale data, enabling Tiled Vector Store to handle vast collections of documents and their corresponding embeddings. This architecture ensures efficient storage and retrieval of data, contributing to the overall performance of the vector store. Role. getDocumentsArray URI enables the retrieval of the URI associated with the TileDB array holding the documents. This URI acts as a key to access the specific array containing the document data within the TileDB storage system. It facilitates accessing the stored documents and performing various operations on them, such as retrieving specific documents or executing queries based on the stored embeddings. Advantages. Advantage 1. TileDB provides efficient storage and retrieval of large data sets, making it suitable for storing document embeddings. TileDB's optimized storage and retrieval mechanisms enable fast access to the stored data, enhancing the performance of retrieving documents from the vector store. This efficient storage contributes to the overall performance of the vector store, allowing for rapid retrieval of relevant documents based on similarity queries. Advantage 2. TileDB supports scalable storage and retrieval, enabling it to handle large document collections. Scalability is crucial when dealing with vast amounts of data, and TileDB provides this capability by allowing the storage and retrieval of large data sets, ensuring that the vector store can accommodate growing document collections. This scalability ensures that the vector store remains performant even as the document corpus expands, providing a robust solution for handling increasingly larger data sets. Challenges. Challenge 1. The method returns a URI pointing to the TileDB array containing the documents. The URI provides a unique identifier to access the specific array holding the document data within the TileDB storage system. It allows for targeted access to the relevant array, enabling efficient retrieval of documents based on the specific array containing the required data. Challenge 2. The returned URI can be used to access the TileDB array for retrieving specific documents or performing other operations. This URI acts as a gateway to the TileDB array containing the document data, allowing for various operations based on the stored information. It enables you to retrieve individual documents or perform more complex queries based on the stored embeddings, leveraging the capabilities of the TileDB storage engine.